guys, right now you can get $100 from me. To do that, you need to meet conditions that are seen on screen in front of you. I'll message the winner in Telegram and send him money. Previous winners and transactions are on the screen as well. But don't forget that only one mistake can make you lose everything you have. Hi everyone guys, welcome back, and today we'll be trading on a Quotex trading platform. We'll try all our strategies we've been using on pocket option on this trading platform. Today I'll be explaining each deal, and we start with $10, and I'm gonna show you which signals I choose to enter a deal, how to determine when to open a deal with higher and when with lower, for example. Well, in general, get the point of my strategy after watching this video till the end, and you can repeat after me your result on your real account. So we'll be trading in a ladder shape. I remind you that this is the type of trading where we bet the whole deposit, eventually increasing step by step the bet amount, so the amount of money on balance, eventually increasing it. It's a maximum risk of trading, guys, you know. But I decided to take this risk and make my deposit sometimes bigger today, so having $10 in balance originally, I'm sure it's gonna be interesting to watch. Let's move to trading right now, and I'll be explaining why I opened one or another deal. Let's start. So the strategy for today is using Bollinger Channel. So we go to indicators. Okay, we see Bollinger Bands. Edit, set 22 as a period, which is important, and to here, click Save. That's it, we don't need anything more than that. Well, we can add RSI or stochastic now. Let's apply stochastic with basic inputs, and well, we've done. So what do we see here? Nothing on this chart yet. Let's open another currency pair. And here we see that the price was coming really close to the lower border of Bollinger Channel and rolled back from it. So Bollinger lower and upper lines will be using as a support and resistance lines. So when the price reaches out of the upper border, we bet on lower, and when it reaches out of the lower border, we bet on higher. Stochastic is an indicator that implies simply confirms whether the price is oversold or overbought, so we don't make any mistakes. So let's find the first deal and let's open it. Guys, let's open a deal with lower here. We start our trading. Firstly, because we have a resistance line here, and if we catch the horizontal line like this, we look, here we roll back from it, here we roll back, and now we're really close to the upper Bollinger Channel, from which we're supposed to open deals with lower. So the first deal, okay, we bet all we have for 1 minute and with lower. Great, the first deal closes in a profit, not really confidently, but still a profit. We get $1 of clear profit, and stochastic, by the way, confirmed the signal as well because it's in overbought zone, and when it's overbought, we bet on lower, and the market is gonna reverse sooner or later. Here we see some similar case if we'll manage to draw a resistance line with the help of a horizontal line. So we take horizontal line and simply move it somewhere here, or yes, here, where we had the highest point of touch. It's a resistance line. So we bet on lower from here as the upper border is really close, and stochastic is also overbought. Guys, great, we get the reaction we wanted from the level. I mean, the price rolled back down, and as the deal was with lower, we earned. We go on. Here we conversely bet on higher. There is an easy explanation. Stochastic is oversold, and we've already dodged the lower Bollinger border, so right now the way up is opened and we bet on higher. It's just awesome, and this is how our reverse happens. maximum confident green, in other words, a rising candle, and we earn. We bet $59 now, and we've already increased deposit, not bad, so we keep on trading. Here I open a deal with higher on same principle, as we're near the very lower channel's border. Stochastic is also oversold, so the deal is with higher on 1 minute. Guys, just great. Another deal is being closed in a profit. As I said in the very beginning, the market is rather predictable, so today I dare to trade in a later shape. But don't forget that even one single mistake can make you lose your whole deposit and everything, so we do everything accurately. So let's open a deal with high here. Firstly, there is a touch with the lower border line from a resistance line. Secondly, stochastic is very oversold. And we also have a bull absorption pattern here. It's a pattern when the candle is, for example, green and it's bigger than the previous red candle. And this pattern is being formed at the bottom of local or global trends, and it means that the trends change. So the deals with higher. So guys, a small rollback was enough for us to get a profit from this deal, and this is what matters. So $192 is our bet amount now, and we keep on trading. I want to bet on high here as it's a really big tail at the bottom of the candle, and after such candles there's a green one. So we bet on higher as the green candle means growth. So guys, this is what I talked about. The Doji candle was generated and there was a rising candle after it. So we take similar case like this one. There was a tail and a shadow at the bottom, and after that a rising candle. Same thing here, we increase the bet amount to the maximum again and look for the next signal. Well, we can open a deal with high here because there are particular rollback from the visual horizontal line, and I suppose we're gonna roll back from it now, and all our other things are fine. The indicator is oversold and we broke through the lower line a long time ago. So we have less than 5 seconds left to the deal's closure. A rollback happens just in time, which allows our deal to be closed in a profit, $616. 17, I mean. So guys, the last deal literally, and we'll summarize the results. So guys, the currency pair is euro-dollar, a similar case. We're near the support line and the chart cannot go down, and the horizontal line is somewhere here, and we're ready to roll back from it. So as the lower border is closed, the indicator is oversold. It's classic, A really risky moment. Oh, but the last deal is being closed, fortunately, in a profit. Whew, we have more than $1,000 in balance, and let me remind you that we started with just $10 today. And if you knew this strategy, and after watching this video you know it, you can simply get the same result. So of course the luck matters, and the market is really calm today and predictable, which happens not really often. Good strategy, rational analysis, calm market, and we make more than 100x to our original deposit. And I hope this video was useful for a learning process, and if you want to get signals from me, for pocket option or maybe Quotex platforms, then be sure to go to my Telegram channel following the link in the description. Meet simple conditions and I'll add you to the private channel where more than 300 my learners trade together with me. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to put your likes and subscribe to my channel, but I don't say goodbye for long as I'll meet you really soon in my next video. But before you go, a quick reminder for my dear traders. If you're a beginner and if you're not really good at trading on binary options, I recommend you to watch this video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. And if you want to be aware of the most reliable strategies, of the most profitable strategies, watch this video right here. And that's it for sure. Bye.